Well, I'm out here foraging for bits of modelling stuff. Oh no! Hey! Steady your sons down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Can do with a good brush. Come on. Well, I've had loads of hobbies over the years, and one of them is doing your little modelling scenes. I've painted loads of little soldiers. I did put a bit on Instagram a couple of days ago. One at scene things. But I'm down here collecting like some natural stuff that you can incorporate into these models. You know, bits of grass, your little ferns, your moss. So that's what I'm down here for. Plus there's this rope swing. It's a lovely autumn day, and I'm thinking with all these lockdowns that we're having, I'm not one for watching telly, so I'm going to like do a few scenes. I mean, yeah, you're not supposed to come out camping. I think them people that do, obviously they're not going to put it on YouTube. So you know, you just got to get on with things and sit and see what's happening. So like my lockdown this time will be like doing models. I'll put a little bit on and see how it goes down. Not very well, I don't think there's many model makers in the world just lately. But this dark is a nutcase. I'll get on with things. I'll nip down my camp, make some dinner. Well, this is some stuff that I'm after here. It just peels off nice and easy off at rock. It's like all little ferns with it, and it can be added well to a modelling scene. Over time, yeah, it does go brown. But you know, if you really wanted to add a bit of varnish to it, then it will stay green longer. Anyway, I'll take a bit of that. And then go and look for some moss. You right, lad? Well, I've got what I want from down here, so I'll call it my camp on way back and dry a bit on it out. Beautiful day. Well, as for modelling forage, yeah, I got quite a bit. The moss is wet through. I'll dry this out. I mean, the cramp ball is very damp. But I mean, if you use them for modelling, then you know they'll be all right for rocks, the black rocks. When they start drying out, you use them and you fire it in. I'm going to cut a few twigs, a few logs, put them up firebox, get a bit of snap together, and chill out. Well, fire's on. I've just grabbed what I can. I've just got some eggs, rice, ham, garlic butter, some mushrooms and onions. I've maybe sent a bit of a spatula. The dog's down. The mist is coming in. Chill out for an hour. Well, in there I'm going to add mushrooms and onions, followed by rice, eggs and ham. In with rice. Well, ham's in, so now I'm going to add the eggs. Well, some nice toasted cheesy top bread, some garlic butter, and that is sand. Well, emerging from the woodland fog is the dear beloved. Come down for dinner and it's ruined.
Shut up. I'm so happy to see you.
How's the food, dear?
It's nice. Have you got one? His face.
Well, for pudding, it's cherry and coconut flapjack with lashings.
I thought it meant it was proper cake.
It is proper cake, Kaz. It's proper flapjack cake.
No, it's not like cake.
It is when you get custard with it.
Where are these spoons from?
Out at a spoon drawer.
No, no.
Well, we're all fed. We have 10 minutes on me raised bed. And she's hoping it'll break. And I've got all my modelling stuff, so we'll call an halt at filming tonight. And I'll show you a bit about my modelling when I get home. If you're not into that modelling stuff, then turn off now. So till next time, bye. Are you going to say bye, Kaz?
Bye. Can we say bye?
Well, back to modelling. This is that stuff that I got yesterday. I'm drying it all out. It does come in handy for gap filling on when you're doing your scenes. This is stuff that I've had years still there. These are like hedgerows, barricades and everything. I've managed to salvage a few old paints. I did have a lot more, but managed to salvage them. I've still got a few bits of grass and that from years ago. I mean, it was 65p then. I don't think where it is now. Well, if you're making grass, you might as well just use, everybody has it now, as this this fake grass. Cut it down with scissors, you know what I mean, and then sprinkle it on. My brushes aren't very good now. I've just started doing them, but my eyesight's absolutely not where it used to be. And so with the trees that I'll make, we're coming along here, look. Make them trees. I mean, some of them are from Jarvis, most of them aren't, and just make them into a little scenario. I mean, this is a quick one on my back garden. Now dark nights are getting in, I'll be doing them in my kitchen. But right, the next video will be about one of these. I'll not be doing no camping on back garden. I don't like that. I've done about all my DIY, so I'll bide my time playing with these. Well, back in the house, always just drying out. This is the game that I put on Instagram about a week ago. 100 infantry, 10 cavalry, 3 cannons, and you can use special forces, but I mean they annihilate the board if dice is run properly. You play it in between like chess, drafts with the dice. I mean, as in this one, if you move one man one place, and it carries on from there. Years ago, I mean, we did make books and maps from it. I mean, this book starts from '96 to 2002. Last game I had with my lad, and it can last for hours. When I do the scenes, I'll just put them on like this kind of, like, it's just that, like old wardrobe stuff. We just cut it down into pieces that you want, and then sort it out from there. So I would imagine that's what I'll be doing while we're in this situation. Till next time. Bye.